So I'm cutting a relief cut for this pipe. This pipe's gonna come off of these two hot and cold lines. It's gonna come up over here where this is gonna come up and have a switch panel with the control for the shower buttons. I just finished painting all this and getting all that caulking. So there'll be a control panel that comes up halfway with a control button, on it. Glass door, 1, 2, 3. 1 square by 1 square shower heads flat. So making this relief cut, and I'm gonna put the drywall, finish the drywall for right here. Finish that drywall up. This right here is the soap rack for the soap and everything. But control panel. Here's the control panel. So the control panel is going to be here like this to turn on and off the shower. And this right here, this is one of the shower heads right here. Boom. That's the shower head, 3 shower heads. 1, 2, 3. Relief cut for the switch panel. Come over to control the water on and off, temp and everything. And then block, and then filling this in. Then patch everything, get everything looking like that. Over here, everything cleaned up, real nice, clean. So, big bum.